Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to submit Windows errors that you're getting with Windows or programs that errors that you're getting with running programs on Windows to Microsoft. I thought that this would be a good video to make because I had quite a bit of trouble figuring out how to do this at first, but after I did a bit of research, I found out that Windows 10 has a built-in application called Feedback Hub, which allows you to submit questions and technical support questions to Microsoft. So what you're going to want to do is just type here to search for the app called Feedback Hub, and it should be there. Just open it, and this is what it looks like. So this tells you what this app is for. Send us your feedback to help make Windows better, become a Windows insider, all that. What you're going to want to do is just search for the program that you're having a problem with. Like say type Edge. And then what you're going to want to do is there will be a button here that says add a new feedback. What you're going to want to do is type if it's a suggestion that you want Microsoft to see for their program, just click suggestion. Where if it's a problem you're having, just click problem. One thing I should have mentioned earlier is that you will need to use this. You will need a Microsoft site account that is tied to an email address that you currently check, because if someone posts a reply to your thread, once Microsoft replies to it, it should send an email to that email address notifying you that it replied. So what you want to do is just type in your support question here. Then what you want to do is just type in what's been the issue that you're having and type the question. Where it'll say category, basically select what application family that you're having trouble with, or what you're having trouble with here. Then just click it. And click and there'll be a second one that pops up once you select that one, and then just click whatever's closest to the issue you're having with Windows or whatever Windows application you're asking about. Then what you're going to want to do is just click submit, and then the program will submit your question to Microsoft support team. And you should hear back from them within a few days or so, or however fast they reply. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.